Hi everyone, it's Leah with Leodin Makes, and I'm here this month with the 11.0 Seed Beads of the Month Club. This is from adornableelements.com. They have a variety of different clubs, but I like this one because I use a lot of seed beads in my projects. These are also Miyuki seed beads, so they're very high quality and they tend to send some really interesting colors that I like to work with. And I'm not affiliated with them. I'll just let you guys know right now. I'm just a satisfied customer of the club. So the theme for this month was Stars and Stripes, as you can see, which I found a little challenging actually because this club comes on, I believe they ship it on the 5th of every month. So it came after the 4th of July, and I didn't necessarily want to design a lot of Stars and Stripe theme things after the holiday was already over. But I did think that the colors that they sent were really beautiful, and I found some interesting uses for them. So let's go ahead and take a look at what they sent. So the first one was 4494, which is a Duracoat Opaque Dark Navy Blue. I use this color quite a bit. It's just a beautiful, solid navy blue. You might know if you've worked with Miyuki before that the Duracoat colors also have a special coating, so that color will not wear off. It's great for the metallics. You want to look for Duracoat. So very nice color to have. The next one was 304, which is Garnet Gold Luster. This is beautiful. You know, I really love the luster coating on Miyuki seed beads, and they sent, I think, a few that were the luster coat this month. Really gorgeous. I like that quite a lot. The next one was Picasso Matte Red Garnet, which I did end up using as well. I really like Picasso colors in Miyuki seed beads. You can see, you know, these are really high quality containers that they send into. So you can actually see the beads a little bit, and they are red with those little, you know, black Picasso specks on them. Really pretty and really interesting too. The next one was Garnet Lined Ruby AB. This is absolutely stunning. I'll tell you, I didn't end up using the red colors a lot just because last month's theme had a lot of red in it, and I think I was a little bit like red out. But I think this is a gorgeous color. I always like the lined ones, and this has that beautiful AB coating on it as well, so it's really stunning. The next one was Matte Opaque Royal Blue Luster, and I ended up actually using a lot of this color. You might be able to tell from the tube. It's just a really beautiful, nice colored blue. The matte colors I think are great because they can kind of be a good background color. They don't take away too much from the design. There's not too much shine going on. But because this has a luster coating, it's just a little more, I don't know, a little more gorgeous, I would say, than usual matte bead. I just like that quite a lot. The next one was the Opaque Cobalt Luster. This is absolutely beautiful. So I don't know how much my camera's picking up, but with that luster coating, it has those little bits of like purple and, you know, kind of like lighter blue shine that comes through, and it's a beautiful color. I like that a lot. And then we had Silver Lined Light Gray, which looks like that here. Just a really pretty silver color. It's a nice alternative to the regular silver. You know, instead of having the whole bead be silver, you just have a silver lining on it. So it's really nice if you want something to kind of catch the light for you. And then last but not least, we had a Sparkle Pewter Line Crystal, another beautiful silver lined color. So like I said, I did find the theme a little bit challenging because I didn't want to design a lot of red, white, and blue things after the 4th of July, but I do think that these colors are really beautiful, and I'm sure I'm going to find a use for all of them at some point. So let me go ahead and show you some projects that I did this month with the beads that came in this month's theme. The first thing I made with it was this bead embroidery pendant, and I supplemented with my stash some of these bugle beads right here, as well as some fire polish. And then I also used a cabochon. This is from Parpuka. I really love their cabochons, and I use them quite a lot. The next thing I made was another bead embroidery piece. This is a piece of jasper that I had picked up, I would say a month or so ago when I was visiting my hometown. And I just went ahead and beaded around it, put a nice little edging on that. And here I use the matte blue as well as the Picasso red in that one. And then next up, I did something with a Rivoli. This is a Swarovski Rivoli, and I used the navy blue for that. I also used from my stash, I had some little 15-0 black sea beads that I did the inside of the bezel, as well as some Jet AB crystal around it. And I thought about doing more with this pendant actually, but I kind of like the way it turned out just like this. It's kind of pretty and simple. So, and then that's a tiara cast bail that I finished it off with right there. And last but not least, which I debated showing you because it's mostly things from my stash, but I did use the matte luster color in this again. Another bead embroidery pendant. And these are actually vintage Swarovski crystals, which I found on Etsy. I'll go ahead and drop the shop link for those actually below. It's just some really neat vintage crystals and other beads. And then from my stash, I used some crystal pearls, some white beads, and this blue right here is the matte navy luster color right there. Actually, sorry, pardon me, that's the matte opaque royal blue luster color, which I thought was really beautiful, really usable. So that was this month's theme. I hope you enjoyed seeing it as much as I liked using it. I really look forward to this club every month, and I'll be excited to see what they send in the month of August. So I'll go ahead and try to record that for you so you can all see what they send next month. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time.